Let's talk about how to use Excel to plot all kinds of graphs. Based on this frequency table, so we choose this frequency table, then go to this tab, Insert. Then you see all kinds of graphs. So suppose I choose that, like a 2D column, look, you could see that, make all kinds, or even the horizontal bar, or 3D. And if we want to choose like 2D line, or we go to this pie chart. So suppose I choose this one, and then you could add, see the data label. So this is frequency, right? 12, brown candy, and you click the legend, look, see. So you see that the blue is mean the brown, but you could change the color. You could change the color, style. So suppose I do that, see, automatically give you the relative frequency. So blue is brown candy, 12, brown candy, then about 27%. The relative is 0.27. And here 10 is yellow and is 22%. Of course, you could change the color match. Maybe brown is just brown. Then you go to play around. And also you could add this chart title. So click that. So you could type like is a candy, right? So you could play around for all kinds of those graphs available in Excel.